Okay, so we're going to show you how to make an app using the Marvel app with an iPad. So before you get started, you have to storyboard your app. And so if you come over here, this is my app, and my home screen here is my home screen. This is where I'm going to start. And then you're going to make choices to go to your next screens. I have 3 choices. And it's really important that you have your buttons on here to go back and forth between screens. So I have a button that takes me back to my home screen. And then if I select screen 1, I go to screen 1, which is drawn here. Notice the hat. Screen 2, notice the different hat. And then screen 3, new hat and new expression. And each one of these has a back button so I can go back to the home screen. Okay. So your first step is to take photos of these using your camera, and I've already done that in my iPad. So I took a photo of the first screen, right, second screen, you get the idea. So now we're ready to open up Marvel. So maybe I'll go here. We'll scroll over, open up the Marvel app, and then I'm going to create a new project. The iPad is the default. So I'm just going to call my new app, my app. Spell it right. And then click, oops, I'm over here on the iPad. Click done. And then it's going to ask me, what do you want to do next? And I want to add some screens. I want to add my pages to my app. You took photos already, so you can take them live, but it's better. I mean, you take them as you're making your app, but it's easier to do it this way. So here's my camera roll with my photos taken already, and I'm going to choose my home page. Actually, I'm going to bring all these in, sorry. So it starts with the first photo you took. Now it's asking you to crop this to the size so when you have your app open, what do you want someone to see? And so I'm just going to, you just grab it and squeeze your fingers here to open it up a little bit, and then click the green button if you like it. X would delete this. So I like that one. Then it gives me the next photo. So see why it's good to have your photos taken, because it makes it super easy. I'm going to resize that. Size that one's pretty good. So is that one. Okay, so my photos are in, and I'm going to start with my first photo here. And notice the purple sign here says tap the add link to link your designs. I want to tell someone where to go when they click on this screen somewhere. So I'm going to add a link with this blue button, and it gives me a little red box. I need to drag that down to the box that I made and took a photo of. If you don't do this, you have to go back and take a new photo and start over again. Now it's asking me, it automatically asks me to link an image. Where do you want to go when you press the start button? I want people to go to the choice screen. So when you press the start button, you're going to go to the choice screen. Okay? And actually, there's something I left out here. I'm going to do something. I'm going to show you how to fix this. So I forgot to do something. I'm going to still go back to the choice screen, but I'm going to slide right when I click that screen, or click that start button. That was something I forgot. Okay, so I like this. If I wanted to add more places to go, I could add more buttons. I'm done. And then I go to my choice screen. Now when I'm on this screen, I want to be able to go to screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, or home. So I have to add 4 links. Drag that over, resize it. Where am I going? Screen 1. And I'm going to slide right again. Add another link. Where am I going? Screen 2. I'm going to slide right again on that. You get the idea. Screen 3. Doesn't like my finger to it. And then screen 3. Okay, I'm almost finished. You see these are blue highlighted. I'm almost finished with my choice screen, but I need to be able to go back home if I get stuck on this screen. So I need one more link. And I'm calling my home screen the start page, right? And then where's that? that's the My App. That's where I start everything when someone starts the app, okay? So this screen is done. The 4 choices here are highlighted, and I can click Done. Now I just need to repeat that process for my 3 screens here, and so I'll just do that real quick. Click that down. And when I get to my screen 1, and screen 2, screen 3, I'm always going back to my choice screen so I can make another choice if I want to. That one's screen 1's done. Screen 2. Gadzooks. Okay, there. Go back. Screen 2 wants to go back to the home screen. Done. And screen 3, add a link. Like there we go. This goes back to the home screen. Okay, and we're done. Now, the app is basically finished. You can preview it by clicking here, and it'll give you the home screen where you start, right? So when I click Start, I should go to my choice screen, and I do. When I click 1, I should go to my screen 1, the tilted hat. When I go back, I should go back to the home screen. When I go to 3, I should go to the baseball hat, back, and that's how you make an app.